Morning. We are live at Microsoft AI Tour in Boston. My name is Mustafa from Roll Cyber, and I have with me Asif, who is our Copilot expert. Hi, Asif. How are you?
Hi. Good.
Okay, so we will ask few questions from Asif about Microsoft Copilot. So my first question is, what are Microsoft Copilot agents, and how do they enhance productivity for modern businesses?
So, Microsoft Copilot agents are AI powered assistants integrated into Microsoft 365 that help automate business processes, retrieve data, and manage workflows. These agents interact with users in natural language, perform tasks such as summarizing information, gathering reports, or sending emails, and even orchestrate multi step operations. The integration of Copilot agents into systems like SharePoint and Dynamic 365 makes it easy for businesses to access critical information and complete tasks without needing to switch between platforms. Their ability to learn from interactions and adapt to specific business needs set them apart from traditional automation.
Great, great. I think so. How does Autogen enhance the capabilities of Microsoft Copilot agent?
So, Autogen is a programming framework that enables the development of multi agent systems, allowing multiple AI agents to collaborate and communicate to solve complex tasks. Integrating Autogen with Copilot agents, businesses can automate not only just single task but entire workflow that interacts with different agents and the reason over multiple steps and escalate issues it becomes easier with that. Businesses build solutions that cater to their unique operations with this
Great,
technology.
great, good. So, what are some of the key features of Autogen that makes it ideal for business applications?
So Autogen offers several features that are particularly beneficial for business use cases. So, Autogen supports collaboration between different AI agents, allowing them to communicate and divide tasks to complete complex processes. Businesses can tailor agents to their specific needs, choosing how the agent handle tasks and data, and they can how they interact with other systems. Autogen can also allow human users to step in and provide feedback during agent interactions, improving accuracy and making the system be more reliable and learn over time. Autogen ensures the agents operate securely, adhering to companies' policies and the requirements.
Can you give a few real world business use cases where Microsoft Copilot and Autogen can deliver significant value?
All right, yeah. So Microsoft Copilot and Autogen can transform various industries by automating complex workflows. For instance, in support, Copilot agents can anonymously respond to customer inquiries and escalate issues when needed. With Autogen, multiple agents can collaborate and resolve issues together. Um,
Okay, and what about in supply chain and other things?
Yeah. So processes to do like payment process can be automated through that, or improving the operational efficiency in overall the
I,
supply chain.
I don't think
And
like
in finance, it can
yeah.
assist in report generation, handling expense approvals, and managing compliance. Autogen agents can interact securely and with lots of systems and make the efficiency of support team or finance team better. Agents can also work the administrative tasks and automate the tasks in a
LMS
collaborative
and like
manner.
other things like
Right.
it can help in like that's great. No, I think that is really good feedback. So finally, my final question is that what advantage does Autogen offer for developing autonomous agent, and how do they improve over time?
All right, so Autogen's framework allows businesses to develop autonomous co-pilot agents capable of handling long-running complex tasks and with minimal human intervention. These agents can learn from interactions, adapt and change as per business requirement, and handle capabilities over time, and enable to remember the user's preference by continuously learning users' feedback and monitoring the actions the agent is taking.
Okay, awesome, awesome. No, I think that is great. Thank you so much for the great insight. For more, information, please visit rollshabit.com. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Okay,
Thank
bye.
you.